Okay, we are on page number 26. Page number 26, C1. C1, yes. We are going to guess. That is, the teacher is describing about something. We heard we heard Amal describe about the people. Now the teacher, she is describing something here. So she is describing, repeat after me. The teacher is describing something that is always used in the classroom. Can you guess what it is? Now next one. She will just repeat. It is mostly white but comes in other colors too. It is smooth. It is long and you can easily break it. I use it to write on the blackboard. What is it? Can you tell me what is it? Can you tell me what is it? Yes, it is mostly white, but it comes in other colors too. It is long and you can easily break it. What is this? Yes, this is a chalk and you write on the blackboard with it. So it's a chalk. So that's how you describe things. Now we look at C2. We have to, before that, I want you to always remember when we describe objects, we can tell this is long. Now this is a rectangle. Okay. This is a mouse is a circle. Mouse, it looks like a mouse. So these are the things you will always describe. But when you are talking about people, you will tell they are tall, they are short, they are strong, they are thin. But you shouldn't make any comments, or you should not be rude and impolite. So for that, when you're presenting, let's look at the tips. These are some presentation tips. Repeat after me. Presentation tips. Repeat after me. Presentation tips. This is when you're speaking. Describing someone. Describing someone. When you talk about an object, you can describe its color, shape, size, and use. When you describe a person, be polite. You can describe how they look and how nice the person is. You should never be disrespectful when describing someone. Okay? So remember always, you should never be disrespectful and rude. You should never shame a person. You should never shame a person by telling anything that is going to hurt the person. So always say something nice and good. So next that is on page number 27. So you are supposed to work in pairs and tell your friend about something that is there in the classroom. Can your friend guess its name? So when you're describing something, you can always be, how did we do the first one? The teacher was telling. So now you can also take something and you can describe you can describe it is made of cotton or cloth. We use it to clean our blackboard. What is it? So your friend, when you ask your friend, they'll have to describe. Guess what? What is it? So what is that? It is made of cotton or cloth. It is made of cotton or cloth. What is made of cotton or cloth? It can be a duster, cotton or cloth, or we have plastic dusters also. So we know from we use it to clean our blackboard. It is a duster. So if I'm telling you, it is long, it has a tip, and I can write with it and rub when I when I make mistakes with it. What is that? Yes, that is a pencil. So that's how you will always tell. This is how we make you describe things. Let's look at the you are working in groups of 3. So when you're at home, you will talk about any person in your you can't talk about any person in your class. So you will talk about any person at home. You and your friend, that is anybody at home, have to guess that person's name. So you take turns. So you can talk about your friends or somebody at home. So let's look at this. Repeat this, please. Work in groups of 3. Repeat after me. Work in groups of 3. Talk about any one person in your class. So instead of in your class, now any person at home. You can talk about any person at home. So your friends have to guess that person's name. So you and your friend, who is your friend now at home? Your mama, your papa, your grandmother, your grandfather, or your sister or your brother. Okay, you can take turns. Take turns. First your mama, you can say guess who, then your papa or your mama or your grandfather and your grandmother, your brother or your sister, you can all say take turns. So now first repeat after me. She is cute. She has curly hair. She's very smart. She can talk, she can speak in Gujarati. She's very shy. Who is she? Is it Ria? Yes. So that's how you will say things about a person and describe. Next, so when you are talking about, so whenever you want words to describe people, so these are the words which are word wizard is going to help you. What did I tell you last class? Word wizard is the how you can create magic with words. Okay? So you can use these words. Repeat after me. Word wizard. Useful words and phrases. You may use these words. Tall, short. Tall means very tall. Short means the person is not very he's short. Funny, if the person makes you laugh a lot and if you like to laugh whenever they speak, that's a funny person. So chubby, chubby if the person is not thin and is very he's chubby. Smart, when the person is very smart and not shy. Shy is when they don't want to talk to anybody, they don't talk much. Shy person. Kind, if the person is very helpful. Nice, yes, when the person is very nice to you and very helpful. Helpful is also, kind is actually different from helpful. Kind is very, what do you say? Very kind person means they'll be very nice and helpful. That is also good. Okay, cute. Cute is very good looking and you like to look at the person. So the cute. Long hair. Long hair. Do I have long hair? Yes, I think I have long hair. Okay, so that's how you will describe people. Now, next is when you are going to. So, last class we forgot to sing the song. Which is the first class song? Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. So, see you next week. Till then, stay safe. God bless you all, children. Bye.